Hey guys, Dimitri again with Insightt, and today I'm going to give you a quick walk through the dashboard and I'm going to show you some of the best ways to get the most benefit from it. All right, let's get to it. So as you can see, once again, I'm here on the left side on my admin account on the web, and on the right I have my phone set up right here on a driver profile just to kind of show you the difference on how they look. So let's head over here onto the dashboard. Head here on the dashboard on the web on the left. And on your phone, there's an icon down here that looks like a speedometer. Just go ahead and click that and it will bring you to the same dashboard. So once again, if you didn't know or if you don't remember, the dashboard is a place that houses all of our opportunities that are yet to come back to the yard. Opportunities could be a spotted involuntary account, a voluntary account, or an impound account. These are all opportunities that we need to have brought back to our yard. So as things get spotted here on Insightt, they will flow into this dashboard. This dashboard also resets at 9 a.m. every morning to your local time, and it can be filtered for the current day, current week, or current month. So as you can see, these cards here all change based on the time frame selected, but this repossession hit list is going to be an ongoing list of every single thing that has been spotted that's still open, or your voluntaries or your impounds. So looking on these cards, they might look a little different from the phone because I'm on an administrator account and I'm looking at everything company-wide. The account on my phone is strictly for the Tampa location, so they're only seeing what's going on for Tampa. And as you can see, I'm seeing 2 total repos. 1 unit has been spotted, which is still pending for repossession. Over on the driver's side, it says repossessions for branch 2, but for the drivers, it also tracks your personal stats as a driver. Whether that be if you're a spotter on Insightt or a camera car driver or an agent, it's going to track your repos, your scans, or your spots. Now, one card I want to pay attention to is this card called Units Pending Repossession. As things get spotted throughout the day, they are going to get in this spotted card right here, but they're also going to be in this units pending repossession. So I could even toggle to see everything that's been pending for the week. Go ahead and click that, and what you're going to see here is all the opportunities pending so far for the week, or if you had to toggle for the month or the day, all here listed by closest first. You'll see a distance right here. This is going to be your distance to the unit, and we're going to sort this list by closest first. So, good for drivers whenever you're out in the field and you're not sure how close your opportunities are. Go ahead, come in here, use this units pending repo, and it will already be toggled for your closest units first. And if you want to further toggle for the ones that are accessible or obstructed, you can just simply do that by clicking on these tabs here. I like using this list in ops so I can see everything that's been spotted so far for the week that I kind of give my immediate attention to make sure we are running it. As you can see down here, we have these 2 pills on these records. In the blue is the last time it was spotted on Insightt, and in the red is the last time it was updated by an agent. So we don't want to see this red pill here anything more than a few days because all these are opportunities that need to be rerun. Another good thing here about the dashboard, it eliminates your need for a chat app, whether you use Slack, Teams, text messages, where spots are getting posted with images and then somebody has to scroll through to find your post to see the pictures or to see if it was recovered, or if the agent forgot to acknowledge or comment that it was recovered. You'll have to scroll through and figure all that out. While on the dashboard, everything is all in one place. I don't need to go on Slack or anywhere to scroll through a long list of all the opportunities that were found. Everything is right here. Even if you don't want to use the units pending, this repo hit list is a ongoing units pending list. So you could always come into this list, search your VIN. I remember this list might be pretty big, but I can also toggle it down to a specific branch, and I'll have specifics for the branch that I'm in. And then all the notes that your team has done, all the pictures that have been done, not just this spot, but on times where it has been spotted in the past. All those notes, all those pictures are going to be added together here to kind of paint a full picture. So really good stuff here. This list here, the repossession hit list, is actually sorted by oldest first because those are at highest risk of closing. But you can always hit sort right here to sort for most recent first. And likewise, you can also, here, let me go back to company-wide. Likewise, oh look, we just had another spot coming right here. But you could also use this vehicle toggle right here, and this will toggle things by closest unit first. So yeah, man, you can also assign units to your drivers as well. So if I'm an agent or if I'm a manager, I can check what's been spotted so far for the day that's still pending to be picked up, and I can go ahead and I can assign this to a driver. Here, let me show you. I'll assign this to my agent account, which is right here. I currently have one assigned to me right now, so I'm just going to hit save. And by the time I refresh this list, or it automatically refreshes, which is in a couple of seconds, you can see 2 here now. So this VIN right here, 410734, I'll click over here, and 410734 is also on my assigned to me, so I can keep track of specific things that have been assigned to me. And this assigned to me card here not just works for spotted units, but it also works on any unit at all. So I can assign open cases, spotted cases, voluntaries, impounds. It's a good way to manage your operations in the field overall. So once again, hope this helps. Hope this has been very beneficial for you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to hit me up on this chat box right here, or if you have my number, hit me up on a text or a call. All right. Till next time, it's Dimitri. Peace.